Good morning, Doug. My name is Rick Purdy, and I'm the sales manager here at Mercedes-Benz Country Hills in Calgary. Hey, Doug, I just wanted to reach out to you this morning. You're interested in the Ford King Ranch that we have here at the dealership, and just sitting with Phoebe right now. So what I thought I would do for you is a market evaluation on your vehicle and on our truck, and show you where it all falls at the end of the day. So what I do, Doug, is basically I scour the market and I see what's available in the market right now to compare vehicles. So here's the 2013 Taurus SEL. This one here has 80,000 kilometers on it. They're asking 14,445. Another one here, 2013 Ford Taurus SEL. This one has 91,000 kilometers on it at 12,694. In the market right now, there are 10 vehicles similar to yours for sale with the average odometer of 85,000 kilometers. Average price is $14,397. So if I had your vehicle here at the dealership, Doug, what I would probably do is bring it to market for $13,900. Clean car proof, shows the vehicle registered in BC, Manitoba, and Saskatchewan. Again, shows that you're probably the second or third owner of the vehicle. But with 89 kilometers on it, I would bring it to market for $13,900. I would like to be in the vehicle, Doug, for 75% of market, which is $10,425 after reconditioning. I would do a AMVIC on the vehicle, which is what's required here in Alberta to sell a vehicle. I would also need to do an out-of-province safety inspection. Phoebe had mentioned the brakes haven't been done on your vehicle, so with 90,000 kilometers on it, the front and rear pads will have to be done. I would detail it. So at the end of the day, Doug, your vehicle would be worth $78.35. With your GST credit, you're at $82.77. Now, on the truck that you're looking at here, the truck was a one-owner vehicle. It was traded in by an older gentleman who worked for an oil services firm here in Calgary. We did an AMVIC inspection on the vehicle, checked out very clean right across the board, so no issues whatsoever. Tires, brakes are all good. In the market right now, there are 4 vehicles for sale like ours, 2011 Ford F-150 King Ranch. This has the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. Here's one here for sale with 115,000 kilometers for $25,980, 140K for 25 grand. This is ours here with 77,000 kilometers at 28,900. So hence I can see the reason why you reached out to us from Manitoba. Just very attractive price on our truck. So at the end of the day, the way the numbers would shake out, Doug, if you wanted to do some financing here at the dealership, I have our vehicle on sale for $28,900. Less your trade-in allowance of $78.35. So the difference is $21 plus your GST. So at the end of the day, you'd be financing just a little over $22,118. If we do move forward, Doug, you would need to pay the provincial sales tax in Manitoba when you register the vehicle. We collect the GST here at the dealership. So basically, at the end of the day, if you were financing this amount, a little over 22 grand over 4 years through the Scotiabank, your payment would be $513. And if you wanted to stretch the term another year to 5 years, then your payment would be $421.08, and you can pay the loan off anytime you want with no penalties whatsoever. So what I'll do, Doug, is I will get Phoebe to send this off to you. We'll talk to you here before the day is over, and hopefully we can get our Ford going to Manitoba. Thanks for thinking of our dealership. Bye now.